Hello there Year 7, it's Miss Gleeson. I've made a really quick instructional video to walk you through the new approach to homework that we're trialling between October half term and Christmas this year. So you will find everything you need on your class Teams page, and your teacher will also have given you an instruction sheet that looks just like this in one of your recent lessons. You will have stuck it into your book for reference. You can also find it on your class Teams page. The aim of this homework project is that you will, by Christmas, have completed 3 stages, each spaced a couple of weeks apart. The homework is linked to the topics that you're doing in your humanities lessons. So this homework project is all to do with humanities structures and buildings. So the first stage, as you can see here, is to be completed by the end of the second week in November. And what you need to do is select from this list of humanities structures which one you would like to focus on, and complete a page of research using the internet or books, and you're going to complete that research directly in a pupil booklet. Now this pupil booklet will be uploaded to the assignments tab of your class team on Teams. Because it's in the assignments tab, you just work on it online. You do not download it to your device and mess about. You just work online on the team, and it will auto save as you go along. So your first task by the end of the second week in November, directly into your work booklet on the Teams assignment tab, you will complete a page of research about your chosen humanities structure. The second stage, which is to be completed by the end of the last week in November, is to decide on how you want to make a model of the structure that you have chosen. Now, you can make your model out of anything you wish. You can bake it out of cake, you can crochet it, you can make it out of gingerbread, you can make it out of cardboard, you could design it on Minecraft, you could make it out of Lego, but one way or another, you're aiming to create your own structure of the humanities building that you've chosen. And what you're going to do for stage 2 is write an instruction text on how you're going to go about creating your structure. Again, this instruction text gets typed directly onto your pupil work booklet that is on the assignments tab of your Teams page. The third task is to be completed by the end of the second week in December, and this is where you actually go about making your humanities structure that you've chosen to create. So whatever you said you were going to do in your instruction text in stage 2, this is where you actually follow those steps to create your model. Now then, do not bring your model into class unless you're told to do so by your teacher. We don't want drama on the buses with people trying to eat your synagogue made out of gingerbread, okay? So keep your structures at home. Either take a little video to show us or a photo to show us and upload it to your pupil work booklet. Copy and paste the image directly into your booklet on the assignments tab on your Teams page. If your teacher says that they want you to bring something in to have a look, then that's a little bit different. That can be up to individual staff. But we're looking for you to just upload pictures for now. So in summary, you'll be set an independent homework project to complete between October half term and Christmas. And as you can see from this instruction sheet, there are the 3 stages. All the work will be submitted through Teams. Your pupil booklet will be on the assignments tab of your class team, and you work directly onto that booklet and it will auto save as you go. This sheet that has been given to you by your teacher along with the instruction booklet can be found on your class in Teams in the assignments tab, as I said. All the instructions are also uploaded to the Dusky Bawb website page. All work will be completed and submitted through Teams. You do not download anything, you do not print anything out, you do not do anything in your classwork books. Here are some examples of the models that were created by a previous year when we ran this project, so you can visualize what you're aiming for. So you can see here we've got a range of materials being used from all kinds of plasticine, cardboard, old kitchen rolls, loo rolls. This person has decided to bake theirs and given it a gingerbread roof. It is entirely up to you what you make it out of and how you want to design it. Note to parents, we are not expecting you to go out and buy lots of materials from lots of different craft stores. That's not what this is about. This is about pupils being creative with the materials that they have to hand. We don't want to create extra pressure for parents. If creating a model is going to create pressure and stress at home, then they're more than welcome to just draw annotated diagram of their model onto paper, and they can take a photo of that instead and upload it to the final page of their pupil booklet. But if circumstances allow, we would love for them to create a model from scratch themselves. If you have any more questions, drop me an email directly at gleasona@hubmail.net, gleasona@hubcymru.net, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.